Hello friends, welcome to my channel. These are all educational videos. You can search my all videos by typing Pravinesh Publication in YouTube. Watch my videos till end. If you like my videos, then please press the subscribe button and do not forget to press bell icon and you will get all the updates. In this video, I am going to explain Standard 8, Chapter 5, Coal and Petroleum, Part 2, that is petroleum. Friends, petroleum is integrated part of our lifestyle. We feel petrol in vehicles, diesel in vehicles, and many other petroleum products we are using. For example, Vaseline. Friends, Vaseline is made from petroleum that we are using in the winter to moisten our skin. This is only just a few examples or a part of petroleum that we are using. But there are many petroleum products that we are using in our daily life. Let us understand this topic petroleum from the textbook. 5.2 Petroleum. You know that petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles or scooters and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors run on diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from the natural resource called petroleum. Friends, petroleum is also known as black liquid gold. Why it is known as black liquid gold? Because it is used in many applications and we are getting many useful products from the petroleum. Do you know how petroleum is formed? Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. Friends, you can see in the figure 5.4 on your screen. This is a way by which we can extract the petroleum. Look at figure 5.4. It shows a deposit of petroleum and natural gas. You see that the layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above that of water. Why is it so? Recall that oil and gas are lighter than water and do not mix with it. The world's first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. 8 years later, in 1867, oil was dug at a Makum in Assam in India. Oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. Friends, on your screen you can see the image of first oil well which was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA. Refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. This process of separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in petroleum refinery. Various constituents of petroleum and their uses are given in table 5.1. Friends, on your screen, figure 5.5, a petroleum refinery. We can extract the different fractions of petroleum by using petroleum refinery. Now, table 5.1, various constituents of petroleum and their uses. Friends, this is important table that you need to learn and memorize. Serial number 1, petroleum gas in liquid form, that is known as LPG. Its uses: fuel for home and industry. Second, petrol. It is used in motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Third is kerosene, fuel for stove, lamps and for jet aircrafts. 4. Diesel, fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. 5. Lubricating oil, uses as a lubrication. 6. Paraffin wax, that is ointments, candles, Vaseline, etc. 7. Bitumen, it uses in paints and road surfacing. So here friends, we got information about the uses of petroleum and its fractions. You can see that we are using petroleum in many ways. So that's why it is known as black liquid gold. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. These are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers, that is polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc., polythene and other man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers, that is urea. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. Now topic 5.3, natural gas. Natural gas is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under a high pressure as compared natural gas CNG. CNG is used for power generation. It is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. It is a cleaner fuel. The great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. Such a network of pipeline exists in Vadodara, that is Gujarat, some parts of Delhi and other places. Natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. India has a vast resource of natural gas. In our country, natural gas has been founded in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. Can coal, petroleum and natural gas be prepared in the laboratory from dead organisms? No. Their formation is a very slow process and condition for their formation cannot be created in the laboratory. Friends, coal, petroleum and natural gas, they took millions of years to create. Whatever the petroleum products, coal and natural gas we are using, that is a result of millions of years of different chemical process. So we cannot make them in the laboratory. Topic 5.4, some natural resources are limited. You have studied in the beginning of the chapter that some natural resources are existable like fossil fuels, forests, minerals, etc. You know that coal and petroleum are all fossil fuels. It required the dead organisms millions of years to get converted into these fuels. On the other hand, the known reserves of this will last at most a few hundred years. Moreover, burning of these fuels is a major cause of air pollution. Their use is also linked to global warming. It is therefore necessary that we use these fuels only when absolutely necessary. This will result in better environment, smaller risk of global warming and their availability for a longer period of time. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, that is PCRA, advises people how to save petrol or diesel while driving. The tips are: first, drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Second, switch off the engine at a traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. Ensure correct tire pressure and ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. So here friends, we know that we need to use this petroleum and its product judiciously. If we do not use this fossil fuels judiciously, it may exist in nature in the near future. So these are the some tips that we need to follow in our lifestyle. There are more tips. Electricity, friends, we get from the coal. When you go out from the room, switch off all the light and fans in that room. If you are using a separate vehicle for transportation, so that is not good. You have to use a carpool for transportation from one place to another place. Whenever it is possible, we need to follow these basic instructions to save our natural resources. Now friends, read the topic from the textbook, complete it exercise, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me on my mobile number. My mobile number is 9016487991. Thank you.